Good morning, beautiful people. It's day, what, like 38? I think it's day 38. And I've been letting y'all see me busted for 38 days. That's crazy. Well, start off the day like we always do. Ginger and lemon shot with, this week we added turmeric. It's totally staining the container. There's nothing that's gonna get this off, but it's all right, because that's what this container's for. So obviously have to juice more today. Cheers. And AJ's farting. I need to stop and listen. Alright. Every morning after my shot, I take my super greens. I use the goalie for super greens. It's gonna take 2 gummies in the morning, 2 gummies at night. Mm-hmm.
2 gummies.
Okay, so I just made my shake. It is 1 scoop of vanilla protein, 2 scoops of Dutch chocolate, 1 scoop of instant cafe bustelo espresso, and I got my baby yesterday, my favorite creamer ever. The one from Aldi was good, but it wasn't hitting the way this one does, so I had to get this. And right now, we're gonna take our Perlessa shot. I'm running out of big time. You wanna see how much I have in here? And I can't order more until the 15th of next month. Cheers to that. It's okay, nothing broke. It's alright. Oh, for snack, instead of making toast, one of these 100-calorie flatbreads. Alright, so instead of toast, I have the flatbread. Because the bread that I have is 70 calories each. So instead of having 2 pieces of bread that's 70 calories each, I'm just going to fold one of these 100 calories in half. And I'm gonna put this in the air fryer for a second. Frying it just to toast it a little bit. I'm going to slice a tomato. Red onion. Got a new bag of spinach, but I'm gonna get what's left in here. And then I'm going to get an avocado. And now I have my fake avocado, my fake toast, right? I'm gonna get half of the avocado. It would be on avocado toast. This is just half, the other half is over here. To get some everything bagel, but the bagel, and sprinkle the spinach, tomato, and then my red onions. Just sprinkle that on there. Sprinkle some of that. Need to get some glaze, and then I'll just fold it up and eat it like a pocket. So it's like avocado toast. But I'm saving on calories because I'm using a flatbread. I'm also saving on carbohydrates. And I'll just close it up, but I'm gonna take a picture first, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to fold it like this. Just eat it like this. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I am going to start cleaning up the kitchen and start to meal prep food for the next couple of days, so I'm going to record that. Also, my vlog from yesterday is still uploading. I don't know what's wrong with YouTube right now. But before I start all of that, I'm going to take one of each. I'm going to take an energy and a multi. I always need energy, so I always take one of these after I'm done eating my snack or lunch. This, more than 10 vitamins and essential nutrients. So that's why I take this one today. And 25 calories. It's like a piece of chocolate. It's like a non-guilt dessert. They're good. Benefits in every bite. No, I do not get paid by goalies, but I should. My daughter was talking smack about my cutting boards yesterday, and look what just happened. She put this into the universe.
Less for me to take out the oven.
Oh my god! So I'm going to make this salmon for my husband and I later today. I'm not going to actually cook it, but I'm going to prep everything so that when I do cook it, it'll be quick and easy and I'll be able to video it and show you guys. So this I'm just going to throw away. Garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, a good mix in. Alright, you see how it's all coated now on all the sides? Every single piece is mixed in good. I'm going to go ahead and close this up until it's time to cook because I'm going to put them in the air fryer and it doesn't take long, so we're going to put that aside. I'm going to show you how I make the glaze. Get whatever you prefer for butter. I like to use, I can't believe it's not butter. Whatever you prefer, get your butter. And you're going to put a pretty hefty tablespoon. Get smoked paprika, not paprika, but smoked paprika. A good amount of that. You know how I am about my onion powder and garlic powder. You know that meme that they say that you don't put that on everything? I put it on everything. Just about. You're gonna get honey, whichever kind you prefer. We use the organic raw honey. And you're gonna put about a tablespoon into here. Microwave safe container. Because what you're going to do is cover this and put it away with the salmon. Clean cutting board, clean knife, clean vegetables. Massive. Obviously don't need the whole onion. We're gonna cut it in half. We're gonna cut it in half again. Too big. We'll use that tomorrow with our teriyaki bowls. So y'all gonna have to watch that video tomorrow. Because that is what I'll be making.
Break my knee.
It's okay.
This way.
We're gonna put all of our vegetables that we just cut into here. Add a tiny bit of salt, not a lot. Black pepper, of course, onion powder, garlic powder. Very simple because while it's sauteing, I will add some soy sauce, low sodium. Close that. Shake them up. I didn't shake the salmon because I didn't want the salmon to break up. So that's why I did it slowly with a spoon. The vegetables. Shake it up. We'll go in there to cook later today. I'm going to clean all this up and then we'll start prepping our chicken. All right, so now we are about to make 2 different kind of chickens. My kids want this brown sugar soy sauce type chicken for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna prep that, and at the same time I'm gonna prep the chicken that I'm gonna make tomorrow for our chicken teriyaki bowls. So if you know me, I already cleaned my chicken.
water, baking soda, and vinegar. Cut them in half. Cut the chunks for the prep. It's just nasty. Okay, so now we're prepping two different types of chicken. It is black pepper and chicken seasoning on just this one. Onion powder, garlic powder, chicken bubble. You know, Asian markets. To get some reduced sodium soy sauce. I eyeball it. I should probably measure it, but I just eyeball it. Some sugar-free teriyaki. Calories, look at the calories. That's what we're gonna put on this one for our chicken teriyaki balls tomorrow. Some light brown sugar. There's not much left in this one. I just bought a new one, but we're just gonna use the rest of this pack. Chicken number 2 over here. And now we're gonna cover both and put them both in the fridge. This one I will cook later today. This one I will cook tomorrow, so it's gonna just marinate overnight. This one like this, I'm just gonna cover this one with saran wrap because I'll just be cooking it later in a couple hours. So that is my chicken prep, y'all. Okay, so my middle child wants some baby loaded potatoes. I bought these red potatoes, that way I can add them into my meal prep as well. I'm going to prep them for me and her at the same time. But first we're gonna clean them. Alright, so I'm gonna add some pink salt, some olive oil to rub them. Staying on one of my favorite little shirties. Alright, so now I have the vegetables sauteing. All I did was put a little bit of olive oil in the pan and added the vegetables. Oil, and I'm just going to saute it for a little bit because I don't want them to get soggy. I have jasmine rice cooking here, and I have my kids' chicken cooking here. And when everything is done, I'll cook the salmon in the air fryer. Here's my meal. This is the salmon. I'm going to put the glaze that I made. I put 1 tablespoon of rice with the salmon just because I just wanted it. And that's my sauteed vegetables and some red potatoes. So this is my plate. That's my husband's plate. His is always bigger. And I'm gonna warm it up and then I'll put this glaze on there. Alright, so now everything is warm.
Like that when she get to high school, right?
And I'm going to add. Ooh, yeah. I've just been breaking stuff all day today. Apparently, this is broke. It's done. You literally never you go and take pictures and then you don't ever come back.
That's different.
We're back in Tarjay, and I got my signature drink, per usual. Okay, so my husband and I just finished cleaning up our house and the kitchen because I tore the kitchen today for real. I'm honestly still full from the salmon and veggies and stuff, and then I had that coffee, so I'm not even gonna make a shake. I know that's bad, but I'm not hungry and I'm just not in the mood. I'm ready to just sit down and chill. But I'm gonna take my super greens and my treatment, and then I'm going to edit this video, and hopefully by then my video from yesterday will be done uploading because it's only at 62% and it's been uploading for 24 hours. So let's cross our fingers and hope that that's done so that I can upload that. And I hope I gave you some ideas today. And I'll be cooking some more tomorrow on the vlog. But right now I just don't feel like, it's not that I don't feel like making it, I'm just not hungry, like whatsoever. So, I look crazy. So I'm just going to edit my videos, do a little bit of work, and go to bed. So. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.